Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the headphones and the source device. First, make sure the AirPods Max have decent battery. Charge them if needed and close the smart case. Next, on your iPhone or paired device, go to Bluetooth settings and forget the AirPods Max. This clears the pairing record. Once done, keep the headphones on a flat surface and have a Lightning or USB-C cable nearby. You'll need it for the next step to ensure a stable reset sequence. Now you'll perform the actual reset. Press and hold the noise control button and the digital crown simultaneously. Keep holding for about 15 seconds. Don't release early because the internal microcontroller needs time to clear settings. You'll see the LED near the charging port flash amber, then turn white. That white flash confirms the factory reset completed. Make sure your phone remains on and within range, but avoid toggling Bluetooth or rebooting it mid-reset, as that can interrupt the process. After reset, you'll repair the AirPods Max. Open Bluetooth on your phone and bring the headphones close. A setup animation should appear. Tap Connect. Once paired, test audio, active noise cancellation, transparency mode, and the digital crown to confirm full function. If something's off, try one more reset. Sometimes a second cycle clears stubborn firmware states. If problems persist, test pairing with another device to isolate whether the issue is the headphones or the original phone. Then consider contacting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.